and I've told you that I'm so hopeful about what we can accomplish. I've told you that the civil rights of LGBT Americans is... Yeah, hold on a second. Okay, you know what? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Hey. Yeah, listen. You're in my house. And you don't start, you don't, no, come on. It's not, you know what? It's not respectful when you get invited to somebody. You're not gonna get a good response from me by interrupting me like this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, 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 no. No, no. No. Shame on you. You shouldn't be doing this. Come on. Can we escort this person out? Come on. You can either stay and be quiet, or we'll have to take you out. All right. Can we have this person removed, please? Come on. Come on. Come on. No. No. Come on. Come on, guys. I'm just going to wait until we get this done. Okay, where was I? So, as a general rule, I am just fine with a few hecklers, but not when I'm up in the House. You know what I mean? Because, you know, my attitude is if you're eating the hors d'oeuvres, you know what I'm saying? Okay. And drinking the booze. I know that's right. Anyway, where was I? I love you back. I know that. So, the civil rights of LGBT Americans, this...